I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by securing your data and establishing a baseline. First, back up important files off the laptop. This prevents data loss if the SSD fails mid-repair. Next, reboot into BIOS or UEFI to confirm the drive is detected and record the firmware version so you know if updates are required. While doing that, prepare tools, a small screwdriver, an ESD strap for safety, and a soldered USB or M.2 adapter, so you can remove and test the SSD externally without delay. You now move into hands-on troubleshooting. Power down and disconnect power. If possible, remove the battery to avoid shorts and touch metal to discharge static. Remove the SSD, inspect the connector and PCB for damage or debris, and plug it into a soldered USB or M.2 adapter to test on a second machine. Run SMART and the manufacturer's diagnostic tools to pinpoint issues, and apply a firmware update if recommended. Firmware often resolves performance drops and stability faults when done correctly. Once diagnostics pass, you reinstall the SSD and complete the repair. Reseat the drive, tighten screws without over-torquing, reconnect power, then boot into your OS installer to perform a clean install or restore the backup. Make sure OSI or NVMe drivers are enabled for best performance. After reinstall, verify trim and thermal behavior. If the drive still isn't detected, try another cable or slot, verify the laptop's power delivery. And if hardware fault persists, prepare for warranty service or our.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.